Students, exercise 9. Let us start. First question. A circus artist is climbing 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied to a top of a vertical pole. Now this is the vertical pole as shown in the figure, and this is the rope 20-meter long. Find the height of the pole. Need to find this. So this is 90 degree. So we are given with H. H is equal to AC is equal to 20 meter, and we need to find the height of the pole. So P, that is AB, we need to find. We will take it as small h. Okay. So which ratio will give you the relation between H and P? That is sin theta. Sin theta. First we will write, we know sin theta is equal to P by H. Therefore sin 30 is equal to AB by AC in triangle ABC. Therefore 1 by 2 is equal to AB is what we have to find, or we can write here H as we have taken, and AC is 20. So H is equal to 20 by 2, that is equal to 10 meter. Therefore AB is equal to 10 meter, or we can write height of pole is equal to 10 meter. So this is how you go ahead with the exercise. Let us start with question number 2. The question number 2 reads, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. Say here there is a tree. Let's draw it properly. We can show the tree like with a straight line. Okay. Or let me select another color to represent it. Till here. Now it has broken down from somewhere and it has made 30 degree angle with the ground. So this angle is 30 degree. This one. Okay. The distance between the foot of the tree and to point where it touches the ground is 8. So foot of the tree to the point where it touches the ground, where the top touches the ground, is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So in this we will have to find both. We will have to find this height and also this, so that this becomes height and total height can be calculated by adding them. So this is base given to us. Base is equal to, let us name it A, B, C triangle. So the base is equal to BC and that is equal to 8 meter. We need to find AB and we need to find hypotenuse AC also. Okay, so let us go ahead. We have base, we need to find P. So we will take tan theta or tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. So 1 by root 3 is equal to P is AB and BC is this. So AB is equal to, now BC is 8. So this becomes 8 upon root 3. 8 will go and multiply, cross multiplication. Similarly, we can find hypotenuse with the help of base. We will take cos 30 degree is equal to base by hypotenuse. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That is equal to BC by AC. Now cross multiply, we get AC is equal to 8 into 2 by root 3. That is equal to 16 by root 3. Therefore total height of tree is equal to AB plus AC, that is equal to 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3, that is equal to root 3 8 plus 16 24 root 3, which will give you 8 root 3 meter. Okay, if you don't understand this can be written like this. 24 can be written as 8 into 3 and divide by root 3 is there, so this root 3 will cancel out root 3 from 3, so you get this 8 root 3. So these are the first two sums. Go ahead, try few more. I'll upload few more sums later. Thank you.